Okay, just start.
Hello, I'm Shikta Singh. I'm a student of B.Ed of Abhinav College, and we are really honored to have Mr. Lakshmikant Shinde here as our guest lecturer. Yet, his ideas that he has given really very thought-provoking for us, and the feeling of self-respect, and that he has inculcated in us that who you are and how you can put your best, that you can be the best in you. So that is how you can have your own individuality that will set you out of the crowd. That is what I think.
Okay.
Thank him a lot for being with us.
It will be help you in future.
Yeah, certainly. It will be a great help for us.
Okay, very good.
Thank you.
Okay, welcome.
Hello, I'm Purti Lata. We are very honored to have Mr. Lakshmikant Shinde sir as our guide and the counselor for today's guest lecture. He told many things very beautifully. He's a very vast, experienced person. He told us that how a child can be flourished, a slow learner can be brought up to the more level or a higher level range, and as well as many things regarding to the related to the life, how to get morale from the life, that you are the best. These are things will be remembered for a long time. He's a very impressive and a very good speaker. Thank you.
Okay, welcome.
Hello, I am Mona Nara. I am the student of B.Ed, Abhinav Education Societies, College of Education, and I must say that it was a very good lecture for me and very inspiring as well, because when he said you are the best, you should find always see your own qualities. That time I found that when I want to share my own experiences, I was not so confident before. But when he said you must see your qualities as well and you go according to that, then you will find that you are also the best, you are the different one, and then it is really a great thing. Then I introspected myself and found that yes, I also have so many qualities in me. Only I have to see that and I have to develop according to that. So it was a very beneficial guest lecture for me. Thank you so much for that.
Thank you, ma'am.
नूतन प्रशांत कवले अभिनव एज्युकेशन सोसायटी शिक्षणशास्त्र महाविद्यालय B.Ed. मला सरांकडून असं खूप मार्गदर्शन मिळालं की उद्याचं शिक्षक म्हणून मी जे विद्यार्थ्यांना घडवणार आहे किंवा विद्यार्थ्याचा सर्वांगीण विकास करणार आहे, तर त्याच्यासाठी जे मार्गदर्शन केलेलं आहे ते या सरांकडून मला मिळाले. त्याचप्रमाणे त्यांनी म्हणजे आमच्या आयुष्यामध्ये जे काही अडचणी आहेत त्यांचंही त्यांनी सोल्युशन दिलेलं आहे त्याच्या संबंधी.
व्हेरी गुड. याचा तुमच्या भविष्यात किंवा तुमच्या जॉबमध्ये काय उपयोग होईल असं तुम्हाला वाटतं?
म्हणजे सर एखादा विद्यार्थी गुणाळ असेल किंवा एखाद्या विद्यार्थ्याला कोणतीही समस्या असेल, प्रत्येकाच समस्या अशी असू शकत नाही की ज्याच्यावर सोल्युशन नाही, तर त्या समस्या त्यांच्या आम्ही समजावून घेऊन त्यांना घडविण्याचा प्रयत्न करू शकतो. याबद्दल सरांनी मार्गदर्शन दिलेलं आहे. थँक्यू.
थँक्यू व्हेरी मच.